The Hynniewtrrep Indigenous Women's Society offers placement assistance to courses in healthcare that include nursing, MBBS, and BSc in Allied Health Sciences, Technology, and many others. For details, contact 97749 90534 and 98561 72263. The Hynniewtrrep Integrated Territorial Organization Hito had organized a sit-in demonstration at the MALKI football ground on the 26th of October as a mark of protest against the hike in fuel prices in the state. The organization blamed the MDA government on the issue and at the same time appealed to the people of the state to wake up and reconsider their selection of representatives to the Legislative Assembly seats in both the by-elections of 2021 and the Legislative Assembly elections of 2023. Speaking at the gathering, the president of the organization's Jaintia Hills unit, Lawyer Sen War, lamented at the stepmotherly attitude of the government of the day, whereby the welfare, livelihood and well-being of the general public has been ignored. He further said that issues like the current hike in petrol and diesel prices, rise in price of essential commodities, the illegal mining of coal and limestone, and pathetic road conditions all over the state are all but signs of corrupted governance. He therefore urged upon the government of the day to give ear to the voice of the people, whose lives and livelihood have been weighed down due to undue circumstances.
Yaki kular ki jompi, kiba pi kular, haka for election, piwan pembit, piwan vote for Shen, ngiyo iya jingkala, barak kiliang ngiyo iya jingkala, kenmau, banyak Hito lasai ngaka nangrim, bang yada yupul yusam, yaka kandau ko siap, yaka riba kejai benriu, beripat bat beid jongi. Piwan kerap, piwan kejar, nang tapi kejat, pemberkat yang duduk Yusuf, kejing kudar jangka petrol jangka ompriang, kejing kudar jangka marba marbi, dan syukur uneu kenyang jimpang. Pem saliasu, kejing bamsak kebejur, ngangkan yang katan Jaintia, piyai mangikipor kila petai kubar. Nado kejing penyai tu yu biang kejing ti tu yu masun si tanwar piya pelang tang si kapela lajang pi perkat su yang yu dua kusut pi hum malai hadu kane kan mau bercisin kesengi kabai nang pin sayok waju leban yang ikut sarkar ngidu bawa pidai bawa penhadar madar ika petrol kenang baupai keduk barangi kumengi nginlak banim nginyak kebang kedi.
The president of Hito's central body, Don Bok Dakar, had shown his concerns for the people of the state by reminding the gathering that in 2014, when the price of crude oil had increased to about 105 rupees in the global market, the price of petrol in the state remained at an average of rupees 71. However, he added that in 2021, when the price of crude oil had decreased by 20%, yet the price of petrol in Meghalaya had increased considerably. Speaking on various other important unresolved issues in the state, Hito's president said that none of these have been addressed, and this has prompted the organization to further its course towards defending the rights, privileges, and welfare of the indigenous people of Meghalaya.
Hawar hajar kharsau ke crude oil ke poi hadu chispa sau tingka hatu ke poi afsar ke wei sarkar ke petrol hangne ke poi tang nyok poi tingka ke balai pat hapor Januari arbu wei ke kata ke crude oil ke hadu 40% ke betangat tu ya ke tax PB peng kiau mentah ke telak kiau dor kata ke crude oil kuali berkizit ya kata ke tax Ladap hingga dia katakan teks, belai hingga habiat surok kita pe. Pialum khajana, kikali lakbun kita sakut kalun, kensiu deh. Nama kalau pun tang yang hadu bagi hab here syakane kemadan bani ki nabenta kayap ke im jom upai ba wat sekataru sami ke ekonomis kiban keren pakai halor ngayo kokot wat num ya keren ekonomi hakane kapor kepadang don ko klem kene ka khlam ko wet ladam don pisang ini thien dawai dekai ini thien rum phniang dekai wat juan ya keren ekonomi yangi ngimde kibe Hialum khajana ka tu philanya la kadang ai ka hok ka jungi gibo ka jingkaliru sarkar jala balai hipin thai ka san hajar crore haba kal ai ka central government ka ai ka condition ba ka central government ba ka world bank ba ka bu ba phitie balai phia kap kam balai ba phimye abam yo du yom ta hai tengi ngim kot tang ni hapo asni laisi ngin pedi ka kam lingwa kini ki sakalum khajana jong phi ngin nyong na bot ngin ai ya pisia khnang ba pni pet mat phi bun kam election ni ngin bun kam gan yada ya ka bri nyok tra